Hey, kids! Can you guess the animal sound? Don't blink. It's fast. Let's go. Who makes this sound? Is it A, cow, B, a dog, C, a duck? 3, 2, 1. It's a dog. Woof, woof. Who says meow? A lion, B, a cat, C, a monkey. Time's up. It's a cat. Meow. What's that big sound? A. Cow, B, a bird, C, a sheep. You got it. It's a cow moo. Wait, what was that? A super animal? A dancing farm party. Or all the animals together? It's all of them. Dog says, woof. Cat says, meow. Cow says, moo. You are animal sound champions. But what if animals don't just make sounds? What if those sounds are actually secret messages? What if at night the dog's bark is a warning? The cat's meow is a code. The cow's moo is calling someone far away. What if all the animals are secretly protecting the world and only one child can understand them? What happens when the sounds suddenly stop? Should we turn this into a magical cinematic animal adventure with a beautiful emotional background song? Tell me in the comments.